It's a lava.
Sleepy breakfast frog.
Morning, Alonzo.
Still sleepy, Mom.
Then why don't we let's make something exciting. Chicken lava toast.
Whoa!
Make your kids a fun and delicious breakfast. The Lady's Choice Chicken Lava Toast. Madali lang itong gawin at masarap, di ba?
Here are the ingredients for easy reference. First, we toast the bread.
Go, bread!
And then once toasted, we are going to put a helping of Lady's Choice chicken spread. And after that, a slice of cheese. And close the bread. After closing the bread, we are going to put
Egg!
a sunny side of egg on top. Now let's see why it's called the chicken lava toast.
We reached the lava.
Okay! Gawan niyo rin ang mga kids niyo ng masarap na breakfast. Just use fresh eggs at meaty-linamnam Lady's Choice Chicken Spread.
Like, share, and subscribe.